Warm greetings from Group Pharma. We are constantly striving to bring groundbreaking innovations in our sphere of the industry and value your constant endeavor to provide your patients with the finest in dental care. Let's strengthen your client relationships even further with your personal touch. Welcome to CustomDentify, your one-stop shop to get customized product packaging that showcases you and your clinic in the best possible manner. For your first time logging in, follow the instructions in the welcome email. Begin this exciting journey by clicking the Shop button. Here you will see all our products that are available for customization. Click any of them to learn more about those. If your favorite Group Pharma product is not displayed here, feel free to tell us about it. After you have made your product selection, click Customize Design to proceed. Now choose the template you want to use and start customizing. Scroll through the options available and have a look at the different images. The customizable fields tell you what you can edit in the template. Once you have made your choice, click Select Template. On the selected template, fill in your clinic details and upload images wherever required. If you have any other specific request such as a color, please fill it in the comment section. Once done, click Submit. Our team will then take your details and create a design draft for you. You will receive an email when the same is ready with an explanation of the next steps. Follow the link given in the email and review your design. If you want any changes, write about those in the comments box. Every time a change is made to your artwork design, you will be notified via an email. Once you are happy with the final artwork, click Approve Project. After that, you will need to fill in your banking and shipping details so that our team can create your order. Once your order is created, you will get an email with your invoice and a link to our online payment platform. Follow the link and complete your payment. As the next step, our team will begin the fulfillment process immediately. Since these are customized products, we will take approximately 6 weeks to ship those. Your CustomDentify team will keep you updated until your order reaches you. Let's continue to spread smiles, because healthy smiles matter.